the moment we've been waiting for. We are staying in an Airstream. This would be the first time I've ever stayed in an Airstream. Henny asked me a couple weeks ago, would you like to stay in an Airstream? And I said, hell yes, I would. I just wanted to have a little bit more information about it. We did book this on, or she booked this on Airbnb, I believe. So let's just go check it out, see what we got here. We're actually already settled in, so anyhow. Actually, I'll show you around a little bit here. This is sort of, they have the yard out here. A lot of foliage. You can kind of walk through here, actually. Enjoy some time sitting in here. Oh, but I'm just kind of like building up suspense for the Airstream. This is a pool. So I don't know if we got some hippies running this or something. I don't really care. It seems really cool, but got some interesting stuff to show you in here. I'm digging it. It smells really nice and clean. Very natural and clean. And look at that, we got some this is daun pisang, banana leaf. It's Indonesian for banana leaf. Okay, here we go. I'll show you. We're already nestled in. Have a little deck here. Let's go. Henny's already working. She's set up camp in her little office. I'll get this closed here. A lot of instructions come with this place, right, babe? Mm-hmm. So, we'll get a little view here. This is the bed. Nice view. Like a lot of drawers. I wonder if we have more linens in here, actually. There's towel. Oh, yeah, good. They have... Well, how many towels do they have? Because I didn't think about that. We didn't really... We do have a like a little blanket there. Let's see what else. Yep, some more linens. Ah, here we go. More blankets. But I'm a little bit curious about the towel situation. Let me go check that out. More drawers. These are just empty for our own stuff if we wanted to, depending on how long we were staying. And he's all set up for work here. Here's the kitchen area. They definitely come with a lot of supplies. They're very particular about the recycling. Oh, we even have like first aid here. Yep, a little first aid kit. As I said, they have a lot of instructions, but they're very thoughtful people. It seems like they're helpful with the instructions. We have all the cooking needs we need. And then microwave. We can make our Indomie then. Refrigerator. Oh, sorry, not much room in here. It's like a tiny house. The shower area, sink. And this is where all the important instructions are. We have a composting toilet. Is that how I'd say it? Mm-hmm. A lot of instructions there. I don't know if I'm up for it. We'll find out.
Different for men and women too.
Different for men and women. Well, we're different, you know. We're different. Okay, so anyhow, that's that. We're gonna go to the grocery store and get some fruit, some veggies. We've been eating out a lot. I'm hoping I can find a decent bottle of wine to kick back and enjoy here. Maybe go out and sit right out in that chair there, or just sit inside, chill out to some music. I thought they had a hot tub. This is the idea of a pool. I get it. It's fine. These people are trying to, like, you know, be resourceful, and I think that's respectable, but I don't know if it's going to be hot enough to sit in that cold water. And does it have, like, jets, babe? It does?
No.
Oh, I thought I saw them in there, so they had something rigged, but I must have been imagining it.
Well, maybe.
I don't know, but if people have cold water everywhere, I don't know. I mean, I do like cold water swimming, but I prefer that in the fresh water on a hot summer day. But there we go. Here we are, all nestled in. I'm perfectly cool with this, I think, right, babe? I think this is fine. Alright, you're all focused on something else, so Over and out.